Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick, and on this channel we make Asian food. Now if that's something you would like to see, don't forget like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that kind of stuff, and you won't miss anything. Right guys, what we're going to do today, we're going to take a Thai classic and turn it on its head. We're going to make LAAB Salmon. Now you would normally make LAAB or something in Thailand. Now salmon is not a common ingredient used in Thai cooking, but it's becoming very popular and it's on sale everywhere in the big supermarkets. So this Salmon Larb or LAAB Salmon is spicy, tangy, and it certainly has a refreshing taste which really hits the spot. This LAAB Salmon is a fantastic take on the Thai dish. So let's show you how to make LAAB Salmon. Right guys, a quick run through the ingredients then. Okay, of course we've got our salmon, we've got some shallots, mint, sawtooth coriander, we've got some lime, which we've turned into lime juice, sugar, toasted rice powder, chili flakes, fish sauce. So we're just going to cut this into slices first guys, and then we'll cube it. So we've got some decent slices of salmon there. Right, we want to cube this into about 1 centimetre pieces. Nice cubes. And we just put in a bowl. A little bit of oil, we don't want too much in here. Okay, so let's add our salmon to our wok. And we'll just add a little pinch of pepper and a little bit of salt. Not much, because we do not want to put too much seasoning in this, because we're using a lot of seasoning already. Now guys, as you can see, we're using a non-stick wok, because the salmon would actually stick in the pan. So we're on a medium flame guys. We just need to try and get this little bit of a seal on this salmon, and all we need to do is turn it gently. Now like I say, if it breaks up, it breaks up. We're not worried, but we try and get some brown on this salmon if we can. Right, there we are guys. That is our salmon cooked. Now salmon doesn't take that long to cook actually, and as we all know you can eat salmon raw, but I prefer to have a little bit of toasty on mine. So we need to take that out of there and let it cool. Right guys, we just need to thinly slice some onion. Right guys, so just take some sawtooth coriander and we're going to actually thinly slice this as well. Now I want to take some mint leaves guys. We don't want all that stalk, so we'll just pull some of these leaves off. And we're just going to run a knife through them, but not very small on this. We want the mint leaves in there. There's our mint leaves prepped. All we need to do now is put this dish together. Right guys, straightforward. In with our fish sauce. In with our lime juice. We don't want to make it too spicy, but it is a spicy dish. So we want about a teaspoon of chili flakes. Now if you like more spice, add more spice. In with our sugar. And in with about a tablespoon and a half of our roasted rice. And just give it all a mix in there. Now guys, some people make this really wet. They put lots of fluid in here. It's not really needed really, because this has got to stick to all the ingredients. So a little taste then, a little taste test. Wow, that is really nice actually. That is superb. Right guys, we'll just put our veggie in that we've chopped up. We'll start with the spring onions. Then our onions. Our sawtooth coriander. And our mint leaves. And all we've got to do is give that a stir through. So stir it all through. Right, there we go guys. All we need to do now is add our salmon. There is a little bit of juice in here, but that doesn't matter, that can go in as well. So get that in there. And then gently just give it a toss over, nice and gently. That's it. Guys, that is absolutely incredible. That is amazing. That whole flavor profile with the salmon is fantastic, and it's nice and soft and succulent. It just works fantastic. This is definitely one to make at home. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share with your friends, and we'll catch you next time. Right.